RBOB, I just bought RBOB. Now then, where do I put my stops? My stops down here are going to be $2,000 or something if I trail blue light. So we're going to try something else. 2,900, I'm not doing that. No way. I'll put it there for now. So it's filled on, wow, I got to do some work here. Filled on S&P. Add OCO. That's not going to work. NASDAQ 60 minutes. That's too tight. So let's see what we can do here. Down here, I'll figure this out here in a minute. But I'm going to put it down here below this support. That's a big risk. We'll figure this out here in a minute, but that's where it is for right now. So we're up 385 this morning already. Rocking and rolling. All right. So let me make sure I've got these closed down. Did I record? Yes, I did. We are recording. We're all right. RBOB, man, take off RBOB. Look at RBOB go. Yeah. I don't know. $3,000 risk on that. That's not going to work. I got it. I got it. I got it. I know. I know. I know. Here it is. Get rid of this. Don't want to delete order. I want to delete this. Where am I on my speed thing here?
Dave, how much you risking on RBOB?
Oh, well, I don't know yet. That's what I'm figuring out right now. I don't know where my statistical thing went on. I'll have to get it back. I want to keep an eye out on that. Settings. It has vanished. Home. Settings. Well, I don't know where it went, guys. It was here. RBOB, that's what we're looking at, where we're going to put a stop on RBOB here. That's $3,000 stop. That's way too much money. Unless you're a rich farmer from Alabama. I'm losing my windows here, guys. Here it is. All right. Invite, pause recording, stop, disable. All right. Let's figure out what we can do on RBOB. Down to here, down to this resistance here, which could become support. It's $3,000. It's too much risk for me. But that's where blue light is on a 60. We've got resistance from here. Oops. There. So if that resistance becomes support, and I put a stop here, I'm risking 1,100 on that. All right. I'm going to risk that, Larry. I'm risking 1,100, and then I'm going to go back in here and edit this, and I'm going to trail a dollar amount. I got to figure out the dollar amount to trail. If I trail 500 behind, that's going to put my stop at break even. Let's do this. Let's go in here and edit. Now I'm running slow again. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Trail. Dollars. Let's say 700 and see where that won't take us. That won't take us anywhere till we're filled. 500 to bring us to break even. Come on. See, I can't scroll. I'm locked up. Hang on. Come on down. Come on. Come on. That brings us to break even. A little bit better. We're locked in $40, but that's tight. End of the month. RBOB rallies on the open. I'm up 400. Do I take 415 minutes? I'm at break even. I can't get hurt. The Nasdaq's up. Let's look at the 60. Oh, and go back here to RBOB. Take a picture. Put this in Telegram. Is now trailing a $500 stop. Up 471. 471 right now. That's out in Telegram. That's done. All right. See that now? That's how that $500 trailing stop works. See, we are at 576, and it jumped up. And this trailing stop will continue to go back up. This stop here, and it will always be $500 behind current price. So if you went up here or to the high, not necessarily current price, unless current price is high, but there's our $500 or close to it. So anyway, that stop as price, if price goes back up, takes out that high, that stop's going to jump again. And it looks there. See, it went from 137 to 147. So it continues to trail upward. It will not go down, Larry. Okay. All right, $1,000 this morning. Woo! I'm excited, Larry. Jesus. Excuse me. Holy whiz.
Yeah,
All right.
I tried to do it in my personal thing, and I got to go add my data to it. It won't even let me trade it, damn it.
Well, all right. End of the month, last day of the month, we're up for the month. I was $1,000 up. If I hit $1,000, I might just go over here and hit this magic button over here and exit all and say, have a good day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Come on. But anyway, that's how that dollar trailing stop works. Now it's locked in 289. Almost $300 is locked in on that. We can't lose. All right, now my limit is way up here at $3,500. Run up there, guys. Come on. Last day of the month. Give me a break. All right. I don't know why I can't get this darn Zoom statistics. It won't let me. Well, let me go do something real quick here and go to Task Manager, and I'll open up Task Manager and see what kind of whatever we're running over there. All right, hold on. Sorry about this, guys, but the Task Manager not responding, that's just not good at all. Now, see, I'm only running 31 right now. But in the Zoom statistics, I was up to 80, 90. I don't understand it. Baffles me. I wish I was smart. Like the guys over at Gecko with the help desk over there, they're smart. They know how everything works. All right. We're upset. Come on. NASDAQ, where are my stops? Where are my stops? Trailing blue light on that, risking $400. Now I could leave it. I could leave it there. Man, what a bullish open. I think I'm gonna leave it there. All right, so we're set up on NASDAQ. We're okay. S&P. S&P. I got too many orders. I got a sell OCO, a sell OCO, a sell limit, and I'm long one. Okay. Well, I'm going to delete that. All right. And $2,800. That's too much for me. How are we going to do this, guys? If I trail blue light, I'm risking 400. That's pretty darn tight. If I bring it down here, I'm risking, let's do this. I got it. I'm going to risk 1,200 for a start. Wait. Here, we'll pull this up to about 1,200 and go back into a daily where I can see it. All right. I'm going to risk it down to this low here. or blue light. Only risking $400 on blue light. Uh, do I want to get stopped out on that? That's the big question. Well, if I got down here to down $1,300, $1,200, $1,100,000, I'll bail on it anyway. So let's say we've got. I said we got common number. Look at this, guys. We got resistance here. Came down and made a support line here. We have a common number. All right. I'm gonna go back over here and change the color to that. Let's go to light blue. We have a common number. Yay. I know where to put my stop. All right, I'm gonna put a fixed stop here, right underneath that. All right, we're gonna risk 525. That's okay. I can risk 525. Now we're gonna go back in and do a dollar trailing stop. All right, from here, let's see if we trail by $500. Let's say even 300. All right, edit order, do a dollar trailing stop. Come on. There we go. All right. Task manager, where are you? 50%, I'm okay. Trail dollars behind 300. Oops, 300. All right, now the way that's going to work, everybody, is that once this market goes up $300, see it just jumped. Why did it jump? I don't want that to jump. I want that fixed underneath that common number, but I want it to trail $300 behind the open. Come on, I right clicked, you're supposed to open, come on. I got the bell again. And I don't know why here. Trail dollars behind 300. All right. So once this market goes over here and we're $300 in the month. No, it's trailing $300 behind current price. I was mistaken on that, guys. My error. Let's pull it down here. My error. It does not have to go 300. It's $300 behind current price. I'll live with that. That's fine. I thought it had to get $300 into the money. It doesn't. And we're just starting to use dollar trailing stops. I'm not that familiar with them. So there we are. There's our, there. That moved it up a little bit, moved it up a little bit. All right. I'm going to delete this, and we're okay on that. We're risking $200 right now. We're up $190. How about 1,100, 1,200? Uh-oh. I might say adios, happy trails. Look at RBOB go. Oh. I got a $500 trailing stop. I got $420 locked in on that one. NASDAQ, we're okay on. I've got 60-minute blue light. Do I want to do that though? We're up $200 on that. What's the risk? $500, $400. Let's do all dollar trailing stops. We haven't done this before. We've always followed the indicators. All right, I right click, come on and open. I'm on the running 50% CPU. Open, please. Okay, come on, open. I got the, there it goes. All right, trail, dollars behind. For right now, put in 300, see where this takes us. Woo! Got an $80 risk on this. I'm a coward, guys. It's the last day of the month, and I've got a profit for the month. And it took me a week to dig out of the damn hole. I'm okay. All right, those are the opens. Any questions? Look at this. Just keeps going. 1280. That gives me my 5% for the month. Yeah. Plus some. And a good lesson, guys. Last week, I tried not to panic, but behind the scenes, I was panicking. I was down $3,000 for the month last week. And now we're up $3,000. And we're not doing anything different. I wasn't doing anything different except on the gold trade. I made one bad mistake on gold, lost $600. That was my fault, my error. I take ownership of that one. That was a horrible trade that I put on, and lost $600 on it. So anyway, we're up $1,300. Come on, give me $2,000. Last day of the month, give me $2,000 today, please. But anyway, what I was saying is, don't freak out. You know, if trades are going against you, I gotta take some vitamins here. Hold on. Oop. So anyway, don't freak out if you're doing the right things that have been working for you in the past and making money, and you keep doing the right things, and the more and you lose some money and you're down for the month or something. It's part of trading, because it can turn right back around the next week. Just make sure that what you're doing that's working, you continue to do that. All right. So Larry, for everybody else's benefits and yours too, we were talking about the trailing dollar stops. Now, see, it's here. We're trailing $300, so we've got a $60 risk. Now that stop will never go down. The only direction that stop can go is up. Can't go down. So if it comes back up here, it's got to take out new highs for it to go back up. All right, we got a $300 stop. Let's put a little calculator thing here, and you can see that it came up here. I guess I'm gonna have to get exact on it, but yeah, little drawing tool is probably not exact, but I'm sure that the calculations are. So when it went up up, it's because the market, this trailed $300. Oh, I got to do it this way. Do it this way. I'm sorry. The stop is trailing $300, not from where we entered. So there. So you can see that the market went up $300, and our stop is $300 behind current price. So the only way that stop can move, it can only go up, and it can only go up again if this high is taken out.
Right? Okay, Dave.
Yeah.
How much are we up right now?
$1,330.
So what you're saying is you're going to take $1,000 out with a $300 trailing stop, correct?
Oh no, we're not up 1,300 on that. We're up 1,300 for the day on everything. Oh. We're up 202 on the NAS right here. It's 202.50. We got $202.50.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize you was on the NAS. I was thinking you was over on our ball. I'm sorry.
No. RBOB's going to be a different story here. Here, our stop is trailing $500. Look at this go. So I've got 672 locked in, can't lose on RBOB. And if that price keeps shooting up, that stop will continue to go up, and it'll be $500 behind the high. There it goes. Watch it. Oops. It'll jump. It'll jump when it hits $500. Came up here. Anyway, when it goes up to 500, if it goes up to 510, then that stop will move up $10. If it goes up, $50 from this high or $100 from this high, that stop will then go back up. Okay.
Right now in the RBOB, we looking at you are up $1,029, and
right
you're
now
take out half of that profit if it comes down minimum.
I'm going to take out 672. I can't lose. I can't make less than $672.
Okay, it's taking 500. You're trailing 500. It's taken away from where it's at now.
Yes, from the high. When it makes a new high, that stop increases. So it's always $500 behind the high. Does that make sense?
I'm trying to understand whether it's going to trail a minimum of $500 as it moves up. In other words, it may move higher, but it's going to lock it in 500 below it. The moving move up.
Yeah, and that stop cannot go down; it can only go up.
Okay, can you go back to the trailing stop on it and show me how you put it in one more time?
Okay, you go to either of your OCOs. You could do it on the buy, the sell stop, or you could do it on the limit order. But you go into edit order. All right, give me a minute. There we go. You go to trail dollars behind and put in the dollar amount that you want to trail.
I see that. Okay.
You got that?
Yes.
All right. Now see it jump up? Watch it. Yeah, and locked in 700 now. See, every time it makes that new high, that jumps up. So it's going to be $500 behind the current high. So when it makes it
moves up, it's going to lock in more profit. Towards the 500, it's going to just keep moving up.
That's correct. And every time it makes a new high, that stop moves up again. Can't go down. Can only go up.
I kind of like that.
Yeah, I like that too. I like that especially when something like the blue light has too much risk on it. Now you could always go down to a range chart or something and do a trailing stop on that. But I'm starting to like this dollar trailing stop thing. And we haven't used that before. I like that.
I get confused those time things, those time frame. It
has nothing to do with time frame, Larry.
Well, anyway,
it has nothing to do. Listen, it has nothing to do with time frame. It doesn't matter if you're on a 60-minute, a daily, a 15-minute, or a 5-minute. It doesn't matter what the time frame is, because all you are doing is trailing $500. It'd be $500 on a 15-minute chart, $500 on a 60, $500 on a daily. It doesn't matter. So the time frame does not matter on that.
No, I'm not talking about on this thing here. I'm talking about, you say you could go to a time frame on the ticks or whatever, changing it from a 60-minute to.
Yeah, if you want to, let's say if
I'm talking about changing to a range at 4 and 6. That's what makes me up.
Okay, here. I'm opening up a new daily. I'm going to go over here to a range. I don't want range 4. That's too fast. So I'm going to, take it a minute. I'm getting the bell again. There we go. Change range 4. You could change it to a range 10, range 6, range 20, whatever you want. All right. Now, Larry, how much is a tick in RBOB?
I don't know. I have to go to the thing and look.
Go look on the key. Click your key tab.
Well,
Above the trade button there. It says key. Tell me. How much is a tick?
see, I can't do it. I'm watching your screen.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to get out of here for a second. I'm going to go back over here to key, and you go down here. A tick, 1/1000th of a percent, is worth $4.20. So a tick is 420. So
Okay.
if you went into a range chart, I got the bell again. Hold on.
10 ticks times 4 would be $40-something for a tick.
Okay. So 10 ticks would be $42. 20
Right.
ticks would be 80. 50 ticks would be about 200 or something. We'll figure that out in a minute. All right, come on.
I think it'd be better to go to something that ain't moving to go to.
Well, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It's I'm getting locked up, and it's here. All right, let's go back in here and change. Let's change this to a 20, just as an example. All right, and then we're going to select a range 20 now. All right, we're on a range 20 chart. All right, here, let me do this. All right, Larry, I'm going to mute you for a minute. Larry, okay, good, thank you. All right, we're here on a range 20. As you can see, price is all the way through the Autobahn, and it's coming back down on range 20, which I don't like. S&P 750 down. All right, so see, there's your trailing $500 stop. Now, if you wanted to, you could trail a blue light here. If I got money locked in on, no, I don't. On $170 risk here. RBOB, I've got about 700 locked in. 720 locked in, and NASDAQ is up 60 bucks. I don't have anything locked in on NASDAQ. But I've only got a $60 risk. So all total, I've got about $200 out in risk, and I've got $700 locked in. So I cannot have a losing day. I could end up only making 500 when I was up 1,300. But unless I put on another trade or do something really stupid here, which is quite a chance, then I've locked in at least $500 for this morning. And I think what I'm going to do here, not good, David. That's okay. Markets go up, wow, that's a big move. Markets go up, markets go down. All right, let's look at this and see where we could figure out where price might go. I had this big bar here on the open. And it jumped up about $500-600 or something. From here to here. Come on, come on. Here to here. Sorry, it jumped up 400. So if it retraces back 200, it could come back down into here. My stop is a little high. because quite often we'll get a 50% retracement. All right, we're up 1200. Come on, RBOB, take off, man. RBOB's up $1,249, and I've got about 800 locked in probably right now. See what I got locked in on RBOB. 855. I had $855 locked in on that. All right, guys. I've only got $200 total risk on the table, and I've got 850 locked in. S&P, come on, S&P. Don't knock me out of there. Trading 300 bucks. Move that stop up to here. Got resistance here that, hey, look, we got resistance that's becoming support. No, we don't. I thought that resistance was going to hold. It didn't. It dropped down a little bit. Let it go back up. Come on, don't give me a loss today. I don't want a loss today on anything. I don't care if it's a $10 win. I don't want a loss. NASDAQ, we're up 80 bucks. I'm risking 60. Okay. So I'm risking 170 plus 60. I'm risking 250 and have 850 locked in. Okay. So I've got to have at least a $600 win today. Even if I get stopped out on those two, I'll still make 600 for the day. All right. Do I?
What's October hogs doing, Dave?
Hogs. They're getting muddy, Larry. They're getting muddy. They're wallowing in the dirt. Here.
You know, October's supposed to turn bullish.
Yes, yeah, it's supposed to turn bullish seasonally.
I looked last night and they were up a little bit.
Okay. Meats. All right, 1450. Get, come on. I'm about ready to hit this exit all button. Or move my stop on RBOB even higher. Trail $300 behind or something, but 1,500. Yeah. Good morning. That's almost as good as planting beans, Larry.
I haven't even looked at my cotton this morning. It's been, I'm making a little money on it, but I'm just wondering if it's going to hold. I think it's going to hold at 70 cents for several days.
Yeah. Okay. Hogs. Up.
Feeder cattle now, David.
You don't see what?
I said you was on feeder cattle. I see hogs now.
Yeah. There's hogs. Now, why do I have a red line? Did we have support? Yeah, it's up right now. And it was supposed to turn bullish on the 28th, I think it was.
Right. I'm just wondering if we need to try it.
I can tell you if it's more than $500 in.
I said we made a heck of money coming down with it.
See, I'm locked up again. I can't get to my dollar tool. And I'm only running 27% of the CPU, 50% of memory. And my dollar tool's locked up. All my tools are locked up. I think tomorrow we're going to go to the go to meeting, guys, and I'll send you out a link on it. I can't do this. There, we got it now. All right. From here to here, 1,300. I'm not going to risk $1,000. I got $600 guaranteed today over on these positions here. Come on, dollar tool. Well, give it a minute. All right, S&P, turn around and come here, dollar tool. Give me my dollar tool here. There we go. Now, if I trail blue light, I'm risking $1,000. All right. Let's go look at a range. All right, come on. Locked up again. What do we make on RBOB yesterday? 1,300. So we're up 2,800 on RBOB in 3 days. 4 days, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, here's the range. Larry, how much is a ticking hogs? Ticking hogs, $10. So if we're on a range 20 chart, each bar is going to be 20 times 10, $200. So let's see what this looks like. 1,700. I get $2,000 today. I'm gone. And I might even take tomorrow off. Come on up. All right, what do we got here? All right, now on a range 20, we've got a $700 risk, trailing blue light, if we waited until the highs are taken out. Now what's interesting here, we've got the Audubon, the moving average Audubon. Price goes through here, it should continue. So statistics is up. Well, it just took down. We just got a sell signal. We got a buy signal here. That's a bulls and bears buy signal. It changed from yellow to green. So we got a bulls and bears buy signal on hogs. 1,700. How much we got locked in on our Bob? Yeah, and I got to look. Probably $1,000 locked in on our Bob. Hang on. NASDAQ, turn around now. Don't do this morning. Woo! 1,300 locked in on our Bob. And I got a risk out of 200 or less right now. All right. I got $1,100 day locked in. Can't make less than 1,100 today. At a $200 risk, I think on the NAS or something, the S&P, I've got a $60 risk or vice versa. So I got a $250 risk and 1,300 locked in. $1,100 a day is mine. Last day of the month, I'll take $1,000 a day last day or more. I can tell you right now, I am not placing another trade. I've got a good winning month going right now. Pull myself out of the hole. Psychologically, I've got $1,000 guaranteed day to day, last day of the month, going into the first day of the month tomorrow. $1,000 guaranteed. I'm done. I'm not risking another dime. And it's not because there's something that might be worthy of looking at as a trade, but it's going to have risk on it. I'm not taking any more risk. I'm not going to take the chance of things turning around and taking away a decent month.
You had a good week.
Had a very good week.
I got to call and see how I can get that RBOB in my click like I did yesterday. I had a problem with stuff having to get it turned on.
I don't know. All I know is you do go to the open menu over there and say open RBOB and pick a month.
Yeah, that's what I had to do with ISIN.
I'm done, guys. I'm going to go fill the truck up. Well, take that back. I just filled it 2 days ago. And tell them I came in to get some free diesel here. All right, guys. We're going to cut it short today. I'm going to stop recording. What is this? I didn't click that.